So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the image opacity in design wizard. So first thing you have to do obviously is open up design wizard and add an element, or I guess add an image into your presentation. So go to the left hand side of your screen right here, press on the elements tab, then go to photos and press on more. Or what you can also do is select a photo that you've previously I guess used, or one that's being suggested. So you can go ahead here and how about I just use this one for demonstration purposes of a bunch of people talking on a headset type of thing. So once that is done, the photo is right here. It's pretty straightforward. First thing you have to do is press on the image, go to this top bar right here. I want you to press on this option right here between flip and animation, where it says opacity or opacity. Just press on that. Then as of right now, it's defaulted to 100%, but if you drag this bar all the way to the left, you make the image more transparent or more see-through, aka lower the opacity. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit image opacity in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.